Mr. Mars, shake and bake 'em. The revolution is on, man. You already know that. That's how it is. Let's get 'em. Ha. Yeah. Hey. Come on. Come in. Yeah. Gotta tell 'em. Pull up in the front, I stout, cool front. When I breathe, I stun to get to money and cunt and some fun. That's what them all want. Mr. Quick Fix, who gives a damn about the long run? Life is on the line. Blackjack's I'm a gamble mine. Live to the fullest like the sun. I wake up to shine. Formalize straight to the top. See them eating eyes, looking like them don't know them can jump and hit the sky. Realize all you have to do is free your mind, be your own knight in shining armor through the lonely nights, dark days. I strive, addicted to the good life. With sweaty palms, I'm walking towers.
You can see my heart.
Come on. Yeah. Come on. Last call, doctor. When is my appointment? My heart is bleeding and I need to get some purple ointment. Life wounds getting bigger. Gold diggers flying like a vulture waiting for the kill, man. Come on, Dr. Phil. Don't tell me how I feel. You ain't in my shell. Well, too deep, bottomless, way past mess. Guess this is the dream that we live life or not. They gon' get your mind peeled.
Just pull the trigger.